Want to create an event on WhatsApp? Here's how to do it step by step. First, make sure your WhatsApp is updated. Open the App Store or Google Play Store. Search for WhatsApp. If you see an update button, tap it. Now let's create the event. Open WhatsApp. Go into a group chat or a community. Events only work inside groups or communities. Tap the plus icon next to the message bar. From the menu, tap Event. Now you can start setting it up. First, enter the event name. For example, birthday party or team meeting. Add a short description if needed. Next, choose the date. Set the start time. You can also add an end time. If it's an in-person event, add a location. You can also set a reminder time so members get notified before it starts. Once everything looks good, tap Send in the top right corner. And that's it. Your event is now created, and everyone in the group can see it. If this helped, like the video and subscribe for more WhatsApp tips and tutorials.